Every week, every guest, every port, everyone asks me what is the one item that is the best buy in our ports of call right now. My answer is simple: diamonds. Diamonds are the #1 buy on this cruise vacation, and this cruise you will shop at the largest direct-to-the-public diamond dealer in the whole world. Diamonds International is a site holder with De Beers, meaning they buy their diamonds rough, direct from the source, and they are the only ones who sell directly to the public at tax and duty-free prices. They cut, polish, and set their diamond jewelry in-house, cutting out the middleman, passing huge savings on to you. In fact, this cruise you will save up to 65% off diamond jewelry at Diamonds International. So why do shoppers love the diamonds and brand name jewelry in the islands? It's simple. It's all about the savings and selection. As you know, these ports are tax and duty-free, which creates a shopping heaven with up to 65% off. Not to mention the benefits of purchasing loose gemstones, which are U.S. Customs exempt purchase. And when it comes to choices, our ports offer unsurpassed selection of millions of jewelry pieces, where you'll find a perfect item for your budget and taste. Many shoppers are excited to learn that with a basic knowledge of the 4 C's, you can find a perfect stone for your budget. Specific preferences in cut, clarity, and care weight and color all affect the value of your stone. So whether you're shopping solely based on price, value, or passion, this is your opportunity to find the diamond of your dreams without breaking the bank. For me, I always shop for sparkle. Only in the Caribbean will you buy the diamond that sparkles like no other diamond on the market today. A diamond cut that is so special and unique, it actually has a U.S. patent. Diamonds International is the designer and home of the most brilliant diamond in the world, the Crown of Light. Each Crown of Light diamond is masterfully crafted with 90 perfectly placed facets, giving an unparalleled brilliance and sparkle. This is such an exciting opportunity for you to buy diamonds straight from De Beers site holder at tax and duty-free savings. So make it your priority to come and see me for a Diamonds International VIP card.